Welcome to our video about the 3 best beaches in the Costa del Sol. The Costa del Sol, or Coast of the Sun, is a region located in the southern part of Spain. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country and is known for its incredible beaches, warm climate, and beautiful scenery. In this video, we'll show you the 3 best beaches in the Costa del Sol, each with its own unique features. So grab your sunglasses and let's get started. Playa de la Cala de Mijas. Playa de la Cala de Mijas is one of the most stunning beaches on the Costa del Sol. It boasts a stunning cove-like beach with clear, turquoise waters and golden sands. The beach is surrounded by stunning cliffs and a backdrop of lush greenery. It's a great spot for swimming, sunbathing, and taking in the scenery. Additionally, it has a great selection of beach bars and restaurants for a bite to eat or a leisurely drink. Playa de Bariana. Playa de Bariana is a beautiful beach located on the eastern side of the Costa del Sol. It has stunning white sand and crystal clear waters, making it a great spot for swimming, sunbathing and snorkeling. It is also surrounded by a variety of restaurants, beach bars, and other amenities, making it perfect for a day of relaxation and fun. Playa de El Palo. Playa de El Palo is a stunning beach located on the western side of the Costa del Sol. It is one of the most popular beaches in the area, due to its stunning white sand and picturesque views. The beach is great for swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling. Plus, it has a great selection of restaurants and beach bars to enjoy, as well as plenty of amenities for a fun day out. For some fantastic offers on holidays to the Costa del Sol and anywhere else in the world, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell.